Hi lovelies, Shani Haynes here. I'm going to show you how to make this multi-die cut method card. Normal card base and some DSP cut just a bit smaller to fit on the top, and 2 stamp sets, High Tide and Fable Friends, that I used, and I also used the rectangle framelits, stitched framelits, 3 sizes, and they all fit into each other, as you can see there. Then I just cut them onto these 3 pieces of cardstock, which again are just smaller than the card front. Here are the Fable Friends. I've coloured them in, fussy cut them out, and ready to go. Now I've got some granny apple green ink and a dauber, and I'm about to make the heels. So it's just a freehand wavy template that I made, and just as you can see, using basically half a piece of cardstock, and flipping it over to make my waves. Each piece, as you see, will be a little longer than the last one. And it's all using my eye, there's no measurements here, you just play around, and as you see as I make the card, it's quite forgiving how you do it. And I'm just tracing again, and you just flip it over so you've got the waves on the different sides of the heels. About to start colouring in the heels with some granny apple green and a dauber. I start off the page, as you can see, so you don't get that big splotchy green dot. Here's some heels I prepared earlier. I've started very pale, middle strength, and then very, very dark, and I've actually added some grass from the High Tide stamp set, and just wiggle until they all fit into the frames. They've already been adhered to at the back with some dimensionals, and I'm just going to glue the base DSP card on and slowly build up my frames. I start with the biggest heel, or the longest piece of paper, and stick that straight onto the DSP, as straight as I can. Now I've cut mine to be exactly slightly smaller than the card. You can cut them in slimmer. As you can see, you've got a lot of space there with the frame. You don't have to have them flush to the card like I almost have, but that's something I just do because it's quicker and easier. And I only need dimensionals at the top half of the card, because obviously the bottom part already is raised because the heels are on dimensionals. And if you make one, you'll see what I mean when you put it together. So I just keep building up the layers. It's pretty easy, and once you've prepared everything, it's actually quite quick to do. I've pretty much finished the framework and the heels, and And I'm just going to add on the ducks and, well, Mother Duck and her family. As you stick them on, some parts will need mounting with the dimensionals, and other parts of some ducks can just go flat on the heels. Each duck has its own heel to stand on. And I haven't shown how I made the happy birthday message on the corner, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Just a little bit more DSP, a little bit of ribbon or linen twine, and a stamp of happy birthday or greeting or whatever you want to say, or just leave it blank. And like some people have suggested, make a beautiful framed picture for a baby. A lovely birth card. So, thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you, and enjoy your day. Love to see if you make one. Love to see it. These are the dimensions. These are the Stampin' Blends, the colours that I used.